Do you like chile rellenos? If you do, you're gonna love this recipe. Today I'm gonna be making chile relleno casserole. It's super delicious. Cheers! For this recipe, I'm gonna start off by roasting 6 poblano peppers. Once they're fully roasted, I'm gonna put them in a bag to sweat. I'm gonna start peeling the peppers, and I like using a spoon because it's much easier to peel. Now we cut them open and remove the seeds. So we take this off, slice it open, and we get rid of the seeds. Once we're done with the peppers, we're gonna start grating the cheese, and I'm using 20 ounces of Oaxaca cheese. Or you can use the melting cheese of your choice. To make the egg batter, I'm gonna be using 6 eggs, and I'm gonna separate the yolks from the egg whites. And make sure your eggs are at room temperature. We're gonna beat at high speed until fluffy. It's ready, and this is how they should look. For me, it took about 1.5 minutes. Now we add the egg yolks, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk, and last, salt and pepper to taste. Now we continue mixing at medium speed. Next, I'm gonna grease my tray. Now we add a layer of the egg mixture and spread it evenly, just like that. We lay 3 of the poblano peppers on top. We add a layer of cheese. Next, we add the other 3 peppers. More cheese, the rest of the egg mixture, and last we top it off with more cheese. Now we bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And while we wait, I'm gonna start making the salsa. And for that, I'm gonna roast 5 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a white onion, 1 jalapeño pepper, and 2 garlic cloves. Make sure to roast on all sides. It's been 30 minutes, the casserole is now ready, and I'm gonna take it out. Veggies are ready. I'm gonna remove them from the heat, and now in some oil, fry 1 tortilla until crispy golden. We add it to the blender along with the veggies. And I've already removed the skin from the tomatoes and the jalapeño. Here I have 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon and half a teaspoon of oregano. And last, 1/3 cup of water. Now we blend. In the same oil we used to fry the tortilla, we're gonna now fry our salsa. This is a perfect time to check for salt. Mine needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna add it. Mix. We reduce the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. The salsa is now ready, and I'm gonna serve myself. Now I cut myself a piece. Look it, guys, it looks so cheesy, so delicious. It's perfect for like a gathering, a brunch. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. This it's so delicious. It's quicker than making chile rellenos. It has the same flavor, and it's even healthier because you don't have to fry the chiles in the oil. You bake it instead. It's super good. So if you don't like making chile rellenos, this is your go-to dish. Try it out and let me know what you guys think. And there you have it, delicious chile rellenos casserole. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.